Okay, guys, I'm live. Kind of like live. I couldn't post this video yesterday night because I was finding it difficult with some things with my speaker, my mic, everything. I don't even have a microphone right now. I'm using my my words, my earpiece as my mic. Okay, guys. Uh, Today we'll be learning how to install Pycharm. Yeah, I kind of like did this thing yesterday, like 2 to 3 times. I failed. But well, right now I passed. So let's quickly go over to our Windows operating system. Actually, mind you, I'm using Linux operating system. That is why you are seeing Windows inside a kind of like small box. As you can see, I can shift my Windows. See, this is Windows. Awesome, right? Yeah, cool. But one thing you should know is this: I'm running Windows on a virtual box, so I can easily minimize my see my original operating system here. So this is my original interface. So this is my Windows. Okay, let's get going. Before we start doing anything, we should check our system architecture. What did I say? Our system architecture. You have to check whether your system is 32 bits or 64 bits. So before you start downloading anything, I will tell you to download later. So quickly press Windows E. Yeah, is it Windows E? Oh, yeah, Windows E. So wait for this to. I hate this stuff. Okay. Now when you click Windows E, it should take you to my computer. That is computer. On Windows 7, you'll be getting my computer. I think so. Or computer. I've forgotten. On Windows 8, you'll be getting computer. On Windows 10, you'll be getting this PC. So if you're not running on this PC, please make sure you go to this PC and open it. Right click on an empty environment and click on properties. Yeah. When you click on properties, this is your system architecture here: 64-bit operating system, x64 based operating system. So that is it. This up here is my processor, 2.5 gigahertz. If you are running, if your processor is below 1.9 gigahertz, I'm sorry, you'll be finding it difficult to use Pycharm because sometimes it will hang from my experience. Okay, from 2.0 is best, is okay. Now let's get going. So check this. Now after checking this, when you want to download Pycharm or Python 3, well, when you go to Pycharm website, like I'll be posting in the link, um, you will see it will just take you to your operating system download. If you're using 32-bit, it won't take you to your own operating system. Be careful. You know why? Why is because um, Y has two legs. Is it two branches and one leg? I don't know. The reason is because simply the latest version of Pycharm does not support 32-bit anymore. So if you want to use the 32-bit version of Pycharm, you should download version 2018. I will look for the link and send it to you guys so that you can have access to it too. So currently now I'm running this on my 64-bit operating system. I think you should get a 64-bit operating system, to be frank with you. Alright, let's get going. First of all, I think I did the installation yesterday. I'll go ahead and uninstall some things. Yeah, I'll go ahead and uninstall. Okay, I have to like maximize Control F switch. Maximize this and go here. Control panel. I'll uninstall it and install it again to show you guys how it works. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to pause this video, alright? Yeah. uninstalling those files, currently I would like to show you something. I'm having a meal right now, and I would like you to see the food I'm eating. Ah, God. So here it is. Oh my God. It is kind of like sexy, right? Like so beautiful and nice. Oh God. Let's take a bite. I didn't die. I didn't die. Okay. Let's continue. Yeah, we're continuing the game. I'm not yet dead. Alright, so go ahead. After I uninstalled those, remember you don't have it on your system. So that is why I uninstalled it from my own system. I removed it entirely to show you how we install it. First of all, after downloading these two files, go ahead and install Python first. Python 3.8, the main Python file. Click, click add to part, go to customization, click next, install for all users. Yeah, it automatically check. Please do not check these two things, else you want to download them. Or for any reason best known to you. Alright, I should click install right now. Yes. So wait for it to download. While we wait, I will eat. While we wait entirely, I will show you some little things concerning command prompt. Yeah, because you'll be encountering this in the future. Yeah, many times, many times in the future. It will be so nice if you know what it is. Actually, let's run this command prompt. Just oh, let me tell you what I pressed. I actually pressed Windows R. I typed CMD. Hit enter to pop up this page. Press Windows R again. Type PowerShell. Yeah. So this is PowerShell. This is command prompt. Let me put them side by side. So PowerShell and CMD are not the same thing. Actually, PowerShell have lots of powers with it. Like the name goes, PowerShell. It has some more commands that command prompt doesn't have. Now let's check some commands in command prompt and see. We can list all the whole files in a directory by simply typing in command prompt dir. So remember, this is a folder, this thing up here, user Kingo, you know, and that is the command I typed to list all this. For us to see this, we simply have to go to our folder, open your local disk C. As you can see, I'm seeing user here. This is user. Your local disk C is this C here. So I open users. As you can see Kengo. Here is Kengo. I open Kengo. You can see contact. You can see ID LERC. You can see it here. Contact, desktop. So actually, what we are not seeing here, we are not seeing app data. Why? App data is hidden. As you can see, this shows that it is hidden. Actually, I'm not meant to see it right now, but there is a command I run that shows all the whole hidden files on my system. Okay, so let's check whether this thing works here too. I think it works. Because it will take me some time. Before that will be taking time, let's check our. Oh, it is done. Say close. So as you can see, it has that. But there's another powerful thing about this PowerShell that I like. It has some kind of like Linux command. You can type something like ls. It still does the same thing. Still list. Let me check what it does. This ls minus a. No, it's crazy. So ls means list directory. Here you don't have ls. So remember, you'll be getting into this command in the future. Let's quickly go over to our desktop and install Pycharm. Okay, while we wait for it, let's call our two babies. Our two babies. Okay. Um, what another command can we check out? We can check out something like cd. Now let's try to enter this. Okay, click yes. So we have to set this up before continue with our command prompt. So click next. Next. Please check everything. If you don't want to check this, if you have another Python file with you, another Python software, you can leave this out, but I don't have any other Python software except Pycharm and Python. So I'm going to check this because it's still going to associate itself with every.py file. So just check everything. Don't ask me questions on that. I'll answer you later. Okay, let's go over to our alright. Now we have to type cd desktop. Actually, it's not most you must put this capital D. It's not case sensitive. Windows is not case sensitive. If it is in Linux, please type it the way you see it. So it takes us to the desktop directory. We press ls here. If you are okay, yeah, there's PowerShell on Windows 7. I believe so. There's PowerShell on Windows 7. If you type ls, you can see all the whole folders on my desktop. So here you can see type cd desktop. Yeah, type die. It still lists everything for you. You can still type die here. I hate die. I love ls. ls is much simpler. You can see the files on my desktop, Anaconda, Trail, blah blah blah, AOS. Now let's check something. iCloud bypass. Let's notice it. Let's look for it on our desktop. iCloud bypass. As you can see, it is up here and down here. Anaconda is here. So you just listen every folder and files on my desktop. So we can also create a folder on our desktop by simply using command md. Yeah, md means make directory. You can use md or mkdir, but I'm going to be using md for now. md what? md what? Which folder should we create? Python. Just let's say md python. Yeah, we just created Python folder for us right now. Let's see how we can create. Let's see what are the commands work here. md, let's say COVID-19. COVID-19. Yeah. Now let's look for COVID-19 and Python on my phone, on my desktop right away. So we have COVID-19, we have Python. It works, right? Yeah, it works. So with these two things, you can do powerful things on your machine. Now if you are looking for other help commands, you can simply type help here. It lists all the whole, not quite really all the whole command, but it lists some commands and what they are used for. The commands, what they are used for. So I won't take you through all this command, but maybe whenever we need it later in the future, or use them. Now let's check about this one, help. Okay. This one is running like Linux. On description show Windows. let's say get help. Hmm. Okay. Enough of that, but I'll still browse on the commands and tell you later because I'm not used to PowerShell. Maybe later I'll learn PowerShell very well, but I know how to use PowerShell currently right now. I know how to swift around my ways. Let's go over to our Pycharm. I think our Pycharm is done. Please, when it is done, click reboot now. Finish. It will restart. So watch my system while it restarts. Alright. Let's pause. Alright, buddies, I think it is done right now. Let's see. If you like my wallpaper, please just hit me a like button, alright? Just say, I like your wallpaper, it is beautiful. I'll be sending you the wallpaper right now. Yeah, for Windows only. Okay. Where's our Python? Before we open this man up here, let's do something. Hmm. Okay. Type Python. Yeah, go to your menu. Type Python. Open this. Okay. This is what we call Python interpreter. Python what interpreter? Ugh. Say it again. Python interpreter. Ah, idiot. Okay. Sorry, that idiot was not for you. It was for someone else. Print. Just type here. Print. Hello world. Just type print hello world. When you run this code and you don't get any error, make sure you type everything that I typed. Everything that I typed. When you run this code and everything works and you get this hello world without no error, then everything is fine. But when you get some errors like this, okay, this three dots appears here, know that you are missing something. Quickly delete everything. Let's put our bracket here. Yeah. Make sure you don't miss anything. When you get this kind of error, syntax error, it means you are not putting your quote here and your bracket. So you need to do that. You don't miss the first bracket. When you start P with a capital letter, it gives you an error. Name print is not defined. So please respect yourselves and use a small letter. Everything that I typed out here, when you miss the T, let's see. Print not defined. So use the print. So I will show you a kind of shortcut to get to this interpreter. Simply press Windows R on your keyboard and type CMD. Then on your command prompt type Python. Yeah, you still get the same look. You can still type your print hello world. If you don't get this interpreter while you type Python, maybe you get something like Python not defined or something like that. Let me show you. Control so let's let's say I type something like Python 3. I get this kind of something. Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. It means you didn't install your Python very well. That is when you type Python alone, not with Python 3. Please do not put that 3. That 3 is just for test. Something like just when you type this and you get this error, it means you didn't install your Python very well. Rewatch the video and follow the steps carefully. Alright, enough of interpreter. Let's see how Pycharm works. We open it and we wait. Yeah, you have to be patient. Patient. Are you getting bored being patient? It's none of my business. Okay, sorry, I'm not meant to run this one down there. I'm supposed to run this one up here. So be patient. If you are getting bored, sleep or skip the video because I'm not going to pause. Actually, I'm going to pause. Yeah, I'm back. If you are running Python for the first time, please, and you're getting this screen here, please do not click config or previous version, whatever. Just click do not import settings, except you already have your installed Python before and you're updating it to a newer version and you get that kind of screen. You can click import previous config. Choose whether Dracula or light. I'm going for light. Now click start using Pycharm. You are getting bored, I can see that. Relax. While we wait, let's play with our command prompt. Okay, I think it is done. No more playing with the command prompt. We simply click the create new project. Yeah, as you can see up here, it is highlighted with blue color. Please just click your backspace to take it away. Do not clear these ones. Just clear only that untitled. Then type whatever the project name is. Let's say the project name is we're building. What are we working on? Is your website? No, we're not working on a website. Let's say we're working on a game. Actually, I love this game because of our land. I love it. I've already created one. Let's use chicken chase. That is chicken chase. A guy who chases chickens. Yeah, a game. Chicken chase. Let's call it chicken chase. Chicken chase. Mind you, you don't give space like this on your program, on your project name. If you want to give space, use underscore. Once you give space, it will still run very fine and create the project very fine, but you have problem during compilation into Windows file, that is Windows executables or Android APKs, or that is when I mean Android APK, I mean Kiwi. For those of you who don't know that Python can be used to write Python programs. I mean Android applications. Alright, I'm using this method. Click this arrow here, select inherit global site, select this one. Just do it that way. Create. Click on create. Yeah, everything is popping up, popping up, popping up. I'm going to widen my screen. While we wait, it's already done. I hate this. Each time I want to play with my interpreter, it is popping out some stupid shit. Now if you're first time, you need to read this, but don't. If you want to kill yourself reading this, kudos to you. But as for me, I'm not killing myself reading that, but you need to read it sometimes for you to learn some shortcuts because it is endless. Actually, that is why you can't finish reading it. When you keep on clicking this next tip, there are more than a million tips on Python. Yeah, I don't know how many there are, but please don't bother yourself reading this. You only read it when you want to know how to do some shortcuts on your project, something like that. So let's close this out. Now this is the interface you get. Let's maximize. We have these folders here. This is our project folder, chicken chase. So I'll go here. Yeah, say project. External libraries, all the whole libraries, Python files, Python libraries on our system, all of them. So we don't need these ones. Let's shut them down. Expand this. Do we need this? Don't expand. Please do not. Now I want you to go to your chicken chase. Right click on chicken chase. Click new. Go to Python file. Now, name your Python file. What name should we give it? It is a very good convention to name your Python file the first Python file that will execute. The main Python file that you will execute before the Python files will be imported and all that. It is a good practice to name it main. M-A-I-N. But for now, I'll just name it test because there's nothing much we can do. We're just learning. Don't put the py, it automatically puts that for you. But if you want, you can still put it, but I prefer not to. Okay, it is creating it. Yeah, and it is done. I'm going to bring my mic close to my mouth. Yep. Far away, far away. My neck is paining me, guys. So here we can kind of like type print. I know something to do. Pause. Let me pause this video. I'm cutting back. I just brought my Bluetooth keyboard, right? So just type print. Yeah, print what? Sorry, let me expand my screen. And this is most of you can see my typings. Let me expand my font. Bored. Whenever I keep quiet, you guys seem to be bored. Just manage it that way. Manage me the way you see me. That's the best I can do for you. So I'll go to editor, click font. Please, while you're doing this on your computer system, don't change the font. The font is awesome. Just because you're watching it on a video, that is why you don't need to strain your eyes unless you're watching this on your laptop. Apply. Okay. So I think it is better now. Print. Now I want to show you something before I type this print. Look, while I'm typing print, it should pop up. As you can see, you see a pop up here. Print. It already predicts what I'm typing, just like your phone while you're typing, it will be predicting what you want to type. So when you don't want to complete the typing, you can simply press the tab or enter key. I normally use tab. So when you press the tab key, it completes it for you automatically. Now here I type hello world. I simply right click here. Okay. I say run. Look, there's a shortcut for this. Control Shift F10. So next time you might want to type Control Shift F10. Right? Does it work? Yeah, it works. Control Shift F10. We can simply right click and you can use the shortcuts. So it will run your file, your project for you. Down here we're getting hello world. Please, I think I explained what print is on my first video, and I was bothering myself trying to explain what print is again. I won't explain what print is. You simply need to watch my first video to understand what print is. Okay, that is it. Print hello world and you're getting hello world. So guys, once you are done with this is your Pycharm, and kudos to you. You have successfully installed Pycharm on your Windows operating system. Let's see how terminal works. Terminal is the same thing as your command prompt, like cmd. So up here seeing something Microsoft Windows version blah blah blah. You're seeing it the same thing here. You can simply type your dir here. I think ls does not work. It doesn't work actually. So when I type dir, I'm getting all the whole files on my directory here. As you can see idea test, the py venv. You cannot see idea here, but if I say project files, you can see idea venv test.py. So everything that exists in here is here. Yeah, bytes, 20 bytes, whatever. So I'm going back to my normal project. Now mind you can still type your Python here. You can still visit your Python interpreter here. So it's still the same thing. Type print hello world. So you get it. I need to do something. Let me increase my mic so that the volume of my mic, so that you can hear me when I'm far away. A little bit. Okay. Let me check whether I'm still sounding. Okay, it's fine. Yep. So, what do we do next? Visit your Python console. Let's see what goes on there. Python console is something as your Python interpreter. There are no difference. There is a little bit difference. That is when you are working on scientific projects like machine learning, data science, deep learning, all these big Python stuff. You'll get to see that Python is Python. Okay, you can simply type your print. This print hello world is what we normally use to test some things, and it is the best program a newbie in Python always knows how to do. So I'll simply buy this and press enter. It still shows me hello world. Okay guys, this is it, and see you on my next video. Right? Yeah, see you guys. I have to stop this video here, and am I going to close this file? No, because I'm continuing from where I'm stopping. Alright. Stop now. Stop. I can't stop. My hand is like, stop. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop. 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 I won't stop. And I'm not going to shorten this video actually. Stop. 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 Stop.